Women over 40. 7 daily habits that make you look 25 years younger. What if I told you that life after 40 isn't the fading of your beauty, but the rebirth of it? What if I told you that your skin, your energy, and even your confidence can shine so brightly that people start asking, wait, are you really over 40? Here's the truth. You don't need magic potions, overpriced creams, or hours in a gym to look and feel younger. What you need are daily rituals, 7 powerful habits that can literally turn back the clock. And today, I'm going to walk you through each of them, step by step, not as a doctor lecturing a patient, not as a beauty guru promising miracles, but as a friend who understands the quiet fears that come after 40. The wrinkle that suddenly seems deeper in the mirror, the tiredness that doesn't fade even after sleep. The way society whispers that your best years are behind you, but here's the good news. They are wrong. Because science, ancient wisdom, and real women's stories all agree 40 is not the end of youth. It's the beginning of a new kind of radiance. So let's begin. 7 daily habits. 7 steps to looking and feeling 25 years younger. Chapter 1. The Radiance Ritual. Skincare that heals, not hides. Let's start with the skin, because whether we like it or not, our face is the first story the world reads. At 40 and beyond, your skin changes. Collagen drops by nearly 1% each year. Fine lines deepen into wrinkles. Hormonal shifts make skin drier, thinner, sometimes uneven. But here's the secret. Youthful skin isn't about erasing every line. It's about unlocking radiance. The habit. Every morning and night, commit to a 3-step natural ritual that feeds your skin instead of suffocating it. 1. Gentle cleansing with oils. Swap harsh foaming cleansers for natural oils like jojoba or almond oil. Why? Because oil dissolves impurities without stripping your skin's protective barrier. Imagine your skin as a silk scarf. You wouldn't scrub it with sandpaper, right? 2. Herbal hydration. Mist brew green tea or rose water at home. Pour into a spray bottle and mist your face. Science shows green tea catechins reduce inflammation and protect against UV damage. Rose water balances pH and soothes. 3. Collagen boosting moisture instead of expensive serums. Use aloe vera gel mixed with a few drops of vitamin E or argan oil. Aloe stimulates fibroblasts, the skin cells that produce collagen. Vitamin E is your antioxidant shield. Bonus. Twice a week, make a DIY mask. Oats plus yogurt plus honey. Oat scum, irritation. Yogurt's lactic acid gently exfoliates. Honey locks in moisture. 15 minutes, rinsed off, and your skin literally glows. The emotional layer. Think of this ritual as more than skincare. It's a daily act of self-respect. So many women tell me, I don't have time for myself. But here's the truth. When you take 5 minutes to cleanse, mist, and nourish your face, you're not just softening skin, you're whispering to your soul, I am worthy of care. I am still radiant. Because radiance isn't painted on with foundation. Radiance is what shines through when you honor yourself. Story example, meet Angela, 47, from California. She told me, I used to think anti-aging was about Botox. But after I swapped to oil cleansing and aloe vera, people started saying, you look so rested. It wasn't because my wrinkles disappeared. It was because my skin looked alive again. And here's the takeaway. Alive always looks younger than frozen. The science. And studies show women who maintain consistent moisturizing habits reduce visible aging by 30% compared to those who don't. Hydrated skin reflects light. That's why babies look so glowing. It's not just youth, it's water retention. So when you hydrate naturally and daily, you don't just reduce wrinkles, you restore that light-catching radiance. Closing chapter 1. So habit 1 is simple, but powerful. Feed your skin, don't fight it. Every morning, every night. Because the woman who respects her skin respects her story, and a respected story never fades, it shines.